Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to head out to my studio. It is Saturday, it is my day off. I usually don't do stuff like this on my days off, but I have a lot of work to do and I have a lot of stuff that I have to deliver to these brands. So I need to work on it. I usually just like sleep in and just be lazy, binge watch shows, all that good stuff, but today I was like, let me be productive so tomorrow I can have a whole day to just do that. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me and kind of show you guys some things and certain things that I do and stuff like that. And I do have my daughter with me. She's in the back right here. But yeah, so I wanted to hop on here and show you guys what I received in the mail. This is probably one of my most favorite things that I received. It's from Lane Woods Jewelry. First of all, this color is so cute for packaging, and the gold on the box, so cute. So they specialize in moissanite rings. I don't know if you guys know much about moissanite rings, but it's literally like right underneath diamond. You know, diamond's like real expensive, but moissanite is right underneath diamond, and the clarity and stuff like that, the shine is almost exactly the same. The only thing I think is different is the hardness of it. I think diamond's like, it's like a 0.5 difference, something similar to that. But anyways, they reached out to me and they wanted to send me something, so I basically got to pick and I just opened it out of the box. I basically got to pick what I wanted, and let me tell you guys, the box is so cute. First of all, like a matte navy blue, and it has this little gold thing right here. But I was shook at how pretty this ring is. I picked a ring because I wanted to see like what moissanite rings look like, but this website is, this company is so affordable. Like, you literally will not be breaking the bank trying to get a diamond ring. You know, if you're trying to get an upgrade, send your man this link. If you're trying to get proposed to, send your man this link. Like, I know a lot of people are iffy about moissanite rings, but I personally love them. It looks just like a diamond and you can't even tell. Like, and there's a lot of people that do love moissanite rings and a lot of people that love diamond, but let me tell you, for the price that you get for this ring and the quality of it, baby, I'm gonna show you guys. So y'all, can you see that? This is a 3-carat oval cut ring, moissanite, white gold. Is so beautiful, and I'm about to put it on for you guys so you can see how pretty it is. And this is my wedding band right here. I don't know, excuse my nails, by the way. This is my wedding band, and I'm about to put this ring on for you guys. Like, y'all, as soon as I get to the suite, little mama back here is slumped. Like, she is not, look at her. She about to be mad as hell because I'm about to wake her up. Little mama. Corey, do you want to go mommy work?
Yeah.
We're here. You're so tired? Aww. Come on, let's go. You can sleep in mommy's room, okay? Okay? She's so tired. But yeah, look, I did my makeup today. Ooh, my skin look popping. Wait a minute. It don't look like this for real, you guys. Alright, but we're about to go inside and I'll show you guys what my suite looks like right now. Alright, so we are in my suite and the lighting is dark in here, so don't mind that, but I'm going to show you guys what my suite looks like. I'm actually relocating to a bigger space, so this is the first and last time you guys will probably see my suite. just because like I've always been unhappy with this room. Like it just wasn't, my daughter's like watching her iPad. Sit down. But I've always been unhappy with this room just because I just found it really hard to make it aesthetically pleasing to how I like it, just because the room is shaped kind of weird. But this was such a good like first time business, you know, venture that I did, and I'm super appreciative for it. But I cannot wait for you guys to see my new space. It's gonna be super cute, but I just want to show you guys a little bit of what I have going on here. It's a mess because I just have so much stuff. I have nowhere to store it. I get so many PR packages. It's just crazy. But yeah, so here's what it is. So this is the door right here. Basically leads into a hallway with a whole bunch of other suites. And then my curtain rods, I kind of hung it up super high just so it makes the room look big, and I just never even ironed my curtains, so excuse that. And then on this side, shh, please, on this side, this is where like my clients and stuff will call into my suite, and I open the door with this button here, and then I can talk to them if I need more time. And then these are just light switches. Excuse this ladder because I put up this wallpaper and I just never took it home. And then I have these that I took off the wall in my ring light. But this is what my wallpaper looks like. Super cute. I got it from Wall Blush. And then my two chairs go right here, but my daughter just like laying on it right now. But yeah, this sign I actually got off of Etsy, I believe. Yeah, Etsy. Super cute. The only thing is it used to be a little bit like a not super dark, but a little darker than what it is now, and it did fade, but I still like it. I like how it faded. And then over here I have nothing. Like I said, I couldn't really decorate much. My little trash. And then I have this cabinet space that came with the suite. Excuse the mess because I have this box I have to unbox, and then it comes with a sink, and then I just have so much stuff, and then cabinets right here, and then this is where I work. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. I guess this is a suite tour. But yeah, I got this table from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it is a glass top table, so I really love that. This chair right here I got from Amazon. And then these are my lights that I use. A lot of you guys ask. And then this right here is what I use to hold my phone for my YouTube videos. And then this I also got off of Amazon. Is what I use to record my TikTok and Reels and stuff like that. Now you come around here, and then I have my little handy dandy cart that's full of stuff. And then I have my whole gel collection of D&D, and then I also have some OPI polishes down here. And I'm sorry I'm talking super fast, but I am trying to do this really quick because I still have a lot of stuff to do. But yeah, I have about 340 colors, and it's just all stacked on here. If you are a beginner, I do recommend D&D. I love D&D. And then I have my TV mounted here, and then it's just like a little cord cover. And then these are actually the Alex and Annie drawers that I had staggered on top of each other, but I just put it like this because it looks better. The reason why I was unhappy with this room is because if you see the way the wall is shaped, it's kind of like curved, and then this like angles this way, and it's super annoying. And it's just like, can't really do anything with my desk but put it like this. I can't put it on this side because if I put it on this side, the client's shoulder will touch the cabinet. So it was just like, it was just a hot mess in here, guys. So I'm gonna be moving to a new space in August, so I will vlog me taking everything down in here because I do have to take down the wallpaper, the curtains, the TV, all that. I will be cleaning up, packing all my stuff, and you guys are gonna join me on this move. I'm super excited. But yeah, so So today I have this package from Apres. It's a little loose. So cute, you guys. But this is their new beta lamp. I know a lot of you guys know about their Omega lamp, I think, that comes with a flashlight, but this doesn't. And I'm super excited to unbox it. So I'm gonna be doing a TikTok of that, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have to do, and then some nail looks. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the process of how I record and everything like that. But wait, this is actually such cute packaging. It came with little twinkle lights. How cute. Okay, it says, "Hi love, it's happening. We're officially launching our beta LED lamp. We hope you love to see, wait, we hope you love it as much as we do. We love to see your work. Don't forget to tag us." So cute. Nothing better than our beta, launching June 29th. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I got a white one. It's so cute. Yes, it's gonna match my aesthetic, kind of. Gotta go get me some scissors. You know these little sticky things be. Hey, Corey. Shh. It's so cool. It's like in their logo. So it comes with this, like this. It comes with a 10-second, 30-second, and 60-second. I love this. How in the, wow, so pretty. Thank you so much, Apres. I am obsessed. Oh, and it has a USB port too. Wait, is this so I can charge my little Omega light thingy? Okay, I cannot wait to use this. Go get you one, and it's a lot cheaper than their Omega light. Alright, so I'm trying to enhance my TikToks and Reels. So I bought this little, what is it? Backdrop. This mini backdrop thing. And hopefully it's what I expect it to be. So let's see. with like a bunch of different colors, and it comes with a stand as well. So this is basically what it looks like. It's just like a little tripod, and it comes with clips and tape, and then you basically film like this. It's like a little product background, and then you can film any type of nail videos, and it just gives it like that nice clean background, which I am in love. But you do have to tape this end down, and it does come with tape. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super cute.
Mommy.
What did you just get done?
A nails.
Yeah, what did you get on it?
And the light.
What's on your nails?
That's Miley's face.
Let me see. She's been asking to get her nails done this whole time, y'all.
I'm gonna take it out. Look at that.
Let me see. Take it out. You like them?
Yeah.
You're so happy?
Yeah.
Wait, where you going? You gotta pay me. You got money?
No, I have no money.
You don't have no money? So why are you sitting here getting your nails done?
My daddy get the money in this phone.
Oh, your daddy got money on his phone?
Yeah.
Tell him give me some.
Give me some.
Tell daddy give me some.
I can see daddy.
You don't see him? Girl.